Hey drivers, David Foster, Safety Manager here at Bay & Bay Transportation. Today we're going to talk about personal conveyance. There's a lot of information out there. A lot of drivers have listened to different podcasts or heard from other drivers or maybe even another company that they used to work for. And so we try and simplify things as much as we can to help our drivers understand. So really, when talking about personal conveyance, the first word personal is really the key to it. It is your personal use of that commercial motor vehicle to go get groceries, go see a movie, maybe you want to go to the gym and work out. Personal, okay? You cannot use personal conveyance to operationally enhance the company, load, equipment, your position, or your hours of service. Okay, so you can't use personal conveyance to put a trailer into the door. You can't use it to go get fuel. That's an on-duty function. Right in the regulations, it states you cannot use personal conveyance to drive to a repair facility or to leave from a repair facility. Okay, so anything that would be considered an on-duty function, you cannot use personal conveyance. Okay. Now, with regards to seeking safe haven, get a lot of questions about this. Really, there's some criteria that needs to be met before you can use PC to seek safe haven. One of those must be that you're out of legal hours of service. Okay? If you have legal hours of service, you can't use PC to seek safe haven. So you have to be out of hours of service. You must be forced from your location by either a company official or by law enforcement. And so if it is law enforcement, please get the officer's badge number, or at least what department that they're with, and make sure you annotate that on your logs. Once you are seeking safe haven, you must go to the first reasonable location that allows you to get your required rest. So there might be a Love's that's 3 miles away, but you've got a shower coupon at the TA that's 15 miles away and it's been a couple of days. Hey, you still need to go to that Love's first, okay? Now, if there is no parking available, then you must annotate your logs, no available parking, moving to next safe haven, and then you can continue on to the next safe location. Okay? If you send in a Qualcomm message saying, hey, no parking, the DOT is not going to see it. It must be annotated on your logs. Hope this clears things up for you drivers. If you have any questions, reach out to the safety department, 651-480-4910. Thank you.